of 3 games. I am a champion today.
Oh no, I lost again.
Wow, what a beautiful sunset. Charlie, what time is it now?
It's 10 minutes past 7.
Thank Charlie, Simon, I have to go home now.
No, I won't let you go. Just play a little while.
Yes, Jenny, just play a little longer.
No, I'm afraid it's too late. I promised my grandmother I would to go home at 8 o'clock sharp. They are waiting for us for dinner.
Please say hello to your parents for me.
Thanks, I will bye-bye.
I am so sorry, Charlie. No problem. Oh, Sam, can you tell me when you reach here at about 10 minutes after 5? Then you have been here for almost 2 hours. That long enough. See you next time. Bye bye.